JOSAA.com.
Hi everyone, I think all of you have downloaded the advanced 2020 admit card. Already admit card downloading facility started. Okay, so if you have downloaded, then no problem. If you have not downloaded, I will give you the link in the description box. Okay, so that you can download directly, and mostly I think 99% of the students have already downloaded. After downloading, many of the students, many of the people are asking three types of doubts. Okay, first one, something is written in blue color. Okay, so what is that mean? Is it only for me or everybody got it? Okay, there is some notice in the blue color in your admit card. Okay, check if it is there, then I will tell you what you should do, what does it mean. Okay, then second thing is, some people are getting about the declaration. Okay, so these are also very few people are getting doubt about the declaration, because already people have attended the mains and advanced examination. And about the center, most of the people are having problem in this one and this one. Go ahead. Okay, so if you are not downloaded, first download this. If you have no doubt in about these three things, blue color, there is no such line up in the blue color in your admit card, don't, no problem. Okay, there is no doubts about the declaration, no problem. Then there is no problem at the center, no problem. That means this video you need not to continue. Okay, so you are at the CHEM YouTube channel. Here CHEM YouTube channel is for the basically for the chemistry. Okay, here we are giving the preparation from the 11th class to 12th class in the board pattern, as well as you are getting prepared from for the IIT and NEET exam. Okay, also for state level exams, so you can attend the chemistry classes, and all of the chapters are already uploaded. Most of the chapters are uploaded, and in this you will get a clear playlist about the each and every chapter. And most of the time their theory sessions are different and numerical sessions are different. Okay, so you can go through them, and apart from this, you will find it everywhere in the subject channel. But this type of quality, this type of segregation, this type of explanation only in English you may not be getting. Apart from this, we also give you the doubts getting people getting during the writing the examination, and guidance to them to select which type of course after the engineering for the medical, and what are the other options when you are in stress. Okay, so like many people are in the stress, they got something written in blue color, and many people are worried about the centers. Like that, CHEM will be a supportive channel. Okay, and I will also inform you so many other ways, like how to become scientist and how to join an IIT without advanced examination. There a lot of things will be there which will be useful. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, subscribe and press bell icon if you are new to this channel. Okay, so that whatever this type of information you will be understanding, and your problems will be sorted out. Okay, so if you are already previously membered, then you should start with the like. Okay, press the like, then I will start explaining about all this. Okay, then you share this to your friends, share this channel to your friends. You may be getting settled after the advanced examination, but such facility should be given to your juniors, your friends, your family members, your sons and daughters of your colleagues. Okay, so try to share this channel to the maximum members. Okay, Now let's start one by one. Understood? So all chemistry doubts will be definitely cleared and I will be responding very fast. Okay. So first of all, blue color what is written, I am going to read it out so that you should have the your JEE in bracket advanced 2020 registration is complete. Okay, including payment fees. However, your candidature is provisional. Many of the people are getting doubt why I have submitted everything, but why my candidature is provisional? Is my percentile in the mains is not good enough or any mistake I have done? So don't be intense. Okay, that provisional in the sense actually due to COVID, you have uploaded some certificates about caste certificate or mark sheet, everything you have submitted after the scanning. Okay, so but physical checking is not done. Physical verification of certificates are not done. Okay, so that's why they are saying this as a provisional. Okay, provisional, that means that will be perfect when whatever the certificates you are uploaded during the application to Advanced 2020, they are correct or not, they are not agreeing now itself. Okay, they will make it confirm after going through the physical checking of all documents you have submitted in the Advanced 2020. So don't worry about that blue color sentence. Okay, but you should worry if you have done something wrong, making corrections while uploading, okay, or making false certificates uploaded. If you are done that, then definitely you are going to be at problem. If you are not done, then there is no problem. If you are done the actual certificates scanned and uploaded, then it is no problem for you. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing about the declaration. Okay, so there are two signatures. One is signature by parent. I think if you have already uploaded, already attended the mains examination, then there won't be any problem, I think. But still, people are getting doubts, so I wanted to clear it here. Candidate signature with date. Okay, parent signature with date. Parent signature better to get it at home, and your signature don't try to do it. If already done, no problem, or it does not matter anything, then also no problem. Okay, so but better to do it while handing over, and make sure that this signature is matched with the candidate signature which you have done in the above. There will be one page only. In the second part you are finding the declaration. So second part signature should be exactly same as the candidate signature in the first part. If they are getting any doubt, they will ask you, or they may ask you to do it again. Understood? This is the second thing. And when you have to hand over before the paper 2 start. Okay, it will be with you only. You should hand over it to the invigilator when paper 2 of the advance starts. You should hand it over. Okay, and this is about the declaration. Okay, and it is nothing new. Because of the COVID, they wanted that whether you are affected with COVID or not, that only simple things are there in the declaration. And most of the people problem is that they got the centers at different places. Okay, already you might have given the choices, and choice field will be 7 choices. I think you are given 7 choices. So out of this 7 choices only given, but most of the students have not got nearby places. Okay, and it is very difficult in the current time to travel from one place to another place, staying there, going there one day before and coming after one day, and these are all is going to be a problem. Okay, so if for this problem, what you can do, you can put an application, put an email to the advanced authority. Okay, so if suppose 2 people wanted to interchange, and both of them, they may consider. It is not officially I am telling you, it is my only suggestion. Okay, so if you feel that it is problem with me only, then it will be a problem. It is a universal problem. Most of the students could not get the same center. Why they could not get? Because they wanted to maintain the social distancing during the examination. For that, they have given more centers at the more places. So once to accommodate at the more places, they are to be given at the distant places. Okay. So I think all the three doubts are clear to you, and you have pressed the like button, and if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. And I am going to give you what are the things you must keep it ready before the counseling session. So lot of things are going to be coming out, and you are going to start with the counseling. So stay tuned, and you will get information. And already I have started a crash course for the advanced examination. If you have not gone through it, kindly go through it. There I am discussing the very important questions which may directly come, which may be modified in your examination, so which is very important for your advanced examination. I hope you all will go through that lectures crash course for the chemistry purpose. See you. Bye bye.